Nuno.
Hello my friends and Opinion members, I was waiting for you. Let's go. Welcome to our winery. My name is Nuno. I'm the fourth generation of my family working here in this wine business. We are in the Lisbon region in Portugal and really near Sintra, which is World Heritage. The ocean is just 5 kilometers from here in this direction, and I'm telling you this because the ocean is a major influence in the type of wines we make here. Balance, elegance, minerality, freshness are keywords people often use when defining our wines. Our vineyards are all of them farmed organically, we don't irrigate, and we have a great respect for our homeland, for our soil, and from the nature around us. Right now, we are in the vineyards where we make our red Valisandro, which is a wine featured in this new Opimian Cellar offering. It's made from Aragonês or Tinta Roriz and Touriga Nacional, which is a major grape here in Portugal. Speaking of which, here we have it. So if you'd like to come with me, we can go and have a tasting in the cellar. Let's go. Welcome to our old cellar. This building was bought by my great-grandfather in 1937. So as you see, everything here is pretty much handcrafted. We don't do a lot of things here, we just ferment the wine. We believe that the quality of our wine is the quality of our grapes. I am bringing to you 3 wines. The first one, white, made mostly from Arinto. It's very salty, very mineral, very fresh. You can feel the ocean inside here. We have 2 reds. The first one is our Ramilo Colheita. It's made mostly with Castelão, and part of this wine is foot treaded. It's fermented in open air in a stone lagar, so it's very salty, very fresh, and most of all, it's really elegant. The last one is our Valisandro Red, the one I showed you before. It's a blend of Aragonês and Touriga Nacional. The difference is that all the wine is fermented in stainless steel, so it results in a more structured and a little bit more powerful wine. All of these wines, these 3 wines, are offered exclusively by Opimian in Canada and are currently available in the current cellar offering. So I will taste to you and hope you have enjoyed this trip, and I hope you also will enjoy our wines. Cheers!